Okay, and obviously you're looking at innovation and continuous improvement as well. So you don't want your product to be stagnating and losing relevance or losing any traction in the market. And think of it from the perspective of a customer. So you don't need to swat these things off. Think about it from what you would want as a customer. Okay, and it's common sense. So do you see how you don't really need to be swatting and memorizing bucket lists and laundry lists of facts and points? You just need to relate it to a real life scenario and think of it in practical terms and think of what you would want, okay, as a consumer. And those are basically what your financial managers and the people who are involved in the management accounting of a particular organization would be looking at as well, and they should be looking at it. If they're not looking at these things, it would be a bit worrisome, because then what is the sustainability of the business? What is it saying about their focus there? That's my opinion, but these are the four concepts or the four areas that financial management or management accountants need to really look at when it comes to achieving customer satisfaction. And these are things that you do need to know. So how do you implement these things? Okay, because obviously you're not going to get a theoretical question which is just going to ask you something directly like, what are the 4 key success factors that directly affect a customer satisfaction? But you need to bear these things in mind whenever you are giving advice. So for example, if you have a product and it's a very pricey product, it costs a lot to manufacture, then you need to start thinking about cost efficiency. Okay, we're producing a product, but it's very expensive for us to actually manufacture this product. Do we have a market for it? Is the market willing to pay the price for this product? Are we getting a decent enough return on it? And you need to balance it. Can consumers afford it? Does it make sense for them? That type of thing. Quality as well. So maybe you have a product that's not very expensive, you can make it very inexpensively, but it's not a very quality product, right? The quality is pretty poor. Then what? You need to now think of your customers. How are your customers going to react to this? So do you see how it comes in when you're giving advice? So you can have a cheaper product and you can think, wow, well, I've got a cheap product and it's great and we've kept costs low, but if it's impacted the quality in a negative way, then you need to know that it's going to impact your customer satisfaction in a negative way as well. And this in turn is going to hurt you as a business, because if your customers are not satisfied, then you're not going to have customers. Make sense? Right. Okay, moving on. So we will be shooting more videos on these things at a later stage. Okay. For now, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so, and this will enable us to just know that as you upload some videos, you guys will receive a notification automatically. Some of you guys have said that you haven't received any notifications on this as we've been uploading, so just make sure that you've subscribed and you've clicked the bell icon, and then you will receive an automatic notification. It just makes it easier from our side as well, so that we don't need to keep on posting in a group, or be it on WhatsApp or be it on Facebook, and saying, hey guys, by the way, we've uploaded a new video. It gets tiresome for both sides. I mean, obviously you guys do not want us spamming the group. I'm pretty sure you would not want that. I definitely didn't want that as a student. So yeah, please just make sure that you've subscribed and that you are actually receiving these things. Also make sure that you do watch the next video, because that's when we're going to actually look at the cost concepts and the cost terminology. So that's the second part of this. So this video isn't a very long one compared to the one that we actually looked at previously, but we are going to be expanding on what we've studied in the next video. So and this is foundational knowledge. It's important, because the things, if you guys do not have this knowledge, you're going to really struggle to actually give meaningful advice, because your understanding of the topic would be adversely impacted, and that's not what you want, right? As I said, please make sure that you guys, if you found this video and the previous one useful, please like it. Please also follow us on our social media channels, because we are publishing things there quite frequently. So if you guys are not finding our content, make sure that you guys are following us everywhere, and you will find it there. Okay, because we are using social media quite extensively, especially during this lockdown period, and we'd like you guys to actually be a part of that journey. So social media, I mean, you guys are on it anyway, so you might as well be on it in a way that's going to be very productive for you as well. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. There's nothing else. I know we uploaded it in 2 parts. Yeah, if there is anything else which you guys do need assistance with, please, you are more than welcome to reach out. You guys know that, and just make sure that you've gone through these videos, you understand the concepts and what they relate to, and you'll see that as you watch it, as you go through them, they start making more and more sense. Okay, for now, I am gonna ask if you guys have any questions. You can type in the comments below, and then I'll respond to as many comments as I can actually get to. Okay, other than that, good luck with the studying, and I hope that this video has added some value.